I may still be a fairly young guy, but I am having some problems with my knee and my back that this could come in handy. So if you have the need for a walker, I've got some great news about this one that I want to share with you. The brand did send this to us to give you our honest review and opinion. So let me get started. First off, it's got the wheels in the front, and then in the back, you can either have the skis or it comes with just the regular feet. So if you're just using it indoors, maybe you just want these. But if you're getting out and about and going down sidewalks or trails, then you may want to have the skids on the back. Everything is fully height adjustable. I've got it set to a height that I believe is going to work for me, but you can adjust the front and the back wheels, or front and back legs, to wherever you want them to be. These handles here are nice and grippy, so they have a really good grip to them. If you want to zoom in on that, so you can get a really good handle on it. I love the color of it, and that it's a nice, very lightweight frame. So it is a nice aluminum frame construction, and then it does collapse very easily. You just, right here, with your thumb, hit those buttons and fold it right up. Stash it in your car, take it where you got to go, and then click like that. And it clicks solidly in place, so you know it's good to go. And it's nice and wide. So I'm a bigger guy. If you need a walker that's going to be wide enough for you, this one will do the trick. Those snap in place, so that front bar isn't going to move. And it's curved, so it gives you some space to stand in there. So right there, that is a really nice walker. We've done reviews of a bunch of different walkers, and I do particularly like this one for those reasons that I've said. The grips, the easy way you can just with your thumbs collapse it, and the optional skis versus feet on the back. Thanks for watching.